1. Restart and try again. Reboot your PC and reattempt the update from Settings Windows Update. Check for updates. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update Run. 3. Clear Windows Update Cache. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one. netstop wazir, netstop bits, rdsq% windir% software distribution, netstart wazir, netstart bits. Then retry the update. 4. Download install update manually. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB 5058499. Download the correct version for your system, ARM64 or x64. Run the downloaded .msu file to install manually. 5. Run SFC DISM scans, system repair. Open command prompt admin and run SFC scan no. DISM online cleanup image restore health. Wait for each to complete, then try the update again. 6. Check for corrupt services. Make sure the following services are running. Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, bits, Cryptographic Services, Search Services.msc. Right-click on each start or restart. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus or VPN. Some third-party antivirus or VPN software can interfere with updates. Try disabling them temporarily and retry the update. 8. Free up space. Ensure you have at least 10-15 GB free on your C drive. Use disk cleanup or storage sense to clear space. 9. Reset Windows Update Components, Advanced. You can use a Windows Update reset script. Let me know if you want one pre-written to fully reset the update system. Thus, still not working? Use Media Creation Tool or Windows 11 Installation Assistant to do an in-place upgrade. Keeps your files apps. This often installs the pending update successfully. 11. Check update error code. Get specific fix. Go to Settings Windows Update Update History. Look for the error code, e.g. 0x800f081f, 0x80242000D, etc. Share the code if you'd like a targeted fix. 12. Use Windows Update Assistant. If the update won't install via settings, download the Windows 11 Update Assistant from Microsoft. https://www.microsoft.com/software-download/wndws11. Run it and let it update your system manually, without full reinstall. 13. Use Media Creation Tool for in-place repair. Go to the same link above. Download Media Creation Tool. Choose Upgrade this PC now. Keeps all files and apps. Reinstalls Windows with the latest updates. 14. Reinstall the update using command line. If you already downloaded the .msu file, open command prompt as admin and run //to/KB5058499.msu quite no start. This installs it silently. Replace the path with your actual file location. 15. Use third-party update tools, optional. Try using tools like WSUS Offline Update, retry or WManager, Windows Update Manager. These bypass certain Windows Update blocks.